entire world right now is battling the coronavirus pandemic. More than 24 lakh people across the world have been infected with this deadly virus, and more than 1,60,000 people have lost their lives already. The world leaders across the world are working day in, day out, scientists, doctors, to find a solution to this deadly coronavirus. At this point of time, we know there is no cure, no vaccine available, but there are certain methods that are being used across the world to at least lessen the impact of this deadly virus. So, based on the research that has been done across decades on the related coronaviruses, there are certain promising drugs that could prove to be effective. Of course, that we'll find out only after a clinical trial is conducted and it shows that these are safe to be used to treat coronavirus. So let's take a look at all these drugs that may prove to be effective in treatment of coronavirus.
Remdesivir is an intravenous antiviral drug that was developed to block infection with related coronaviruses and even Ebola, and is one of the drugs that WHO is helping to investigate. The drug has already been shown to work against SARS-CoV-2 in cells in a dish in a lab as well as in mice infected with the virus. Lopinavir or Ritonavir is a drug combination used against viruses like HIV. It works in a similar way to Remdesivir by blocking key viral proteins called proteases. The drug has also been shown to be effective against SARS-CoV-2 in lab cells as well as in mice. Chloroquine and Hydroxychloroquine, both of these drugs are currently used to treat malaria and autoimmune disease lupus. Chloroquine has been tested against lots of different infections because in the lab it can block viruses including SARS-CoV-2 from getting inside cells placed in a dish and so prevent infection. The anti-flu drug Favipiravir won early approval in China for treating symptoms of Covid-19. It is also approved in Japan for investigational use into the novel coronavirus. The drug was reported to help infected patients recover more quickly and with milder chest symptoms, according to Chinese officials. Interferon beta, another drug that showed promise fighting SARS, is being tested for Covid-19. This antiviral drug is a common choice for doctors when the cause of an infection is unknown. It may inhibit replication of respiratory coronaviruses and has shown promise fighting MERS in mice.
So now you know the drugs that may actually work in treating the coronavirus, but make sure that even if you feel that you have certain symptoms that may hint towards coronavirus, do not go and buy these drugs on your own without any prescription from a doctor or being given by a new hospital, because that could be really dangerous, because we still do not know whether these drugs could actually cure coronavirus or not. So stay safe, stay connected, maintain social distancing, wear a mask when you go out of your house, only go out of your house to buy essential groceries, and always carry a hand sanitizer. And keep watching Oneindia English.